this warning has been issued by the civil authorities. Thanks to the information from the general public, our law enforcement has managed to locate and arrest some of the most dedicated members of the Spawnism cult. These members are currently being questioned in hopes to find any information about their leaders. The only information we know so far is that there are 5 of them scattered across the nation, and 2 of them are in your area. We advise anyone who lives in these areas to be vigilant for any suspicious activities. If you know someone who has been acting strange ever since we have started looking for the Spawnism leaders and members, do not hesitate to call your local law enforcement. If you see anyone wearing a robe with this symbol on it, call your local law enforcement immediately, as this could be either a member or a leader of the cult. We also advise to lock your doors as soon as you get home. This is all for now. Thank you for your time and have a nice evening.